to others is attractive to others. So that's why there is no such thing, Swamiji. There is no such thing like evil in this God's creation.
But there is always conflict. One good is there, one evil is there. There is always conflict in creation, and good will always succeed in the end. The evil will always succeed in the beginning. Such things have taken place in creation. What to say to do for that?
They have taken place, Swamiji, but it is only the play of the Lord. It is the play of the Lord. That's also. Because there is only one God. There is no other thing, Swamiji, except God. So whatever comes out from God, the evil or good, what we think, it's only from God only. It's only from one person only. So that's why I don't think, Swamiji, anything like that, Swamiji. This is only mono acting, Swamiji.
I see.
God sees only mono acting. One man's play.
I see.
All these things. Yes, Swamiji.
Who is that man?
Is that we think, Swamiji, here, yes, Shiva is Swamiji. Sri Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji is the main person behind that, Swamiji. He is the eternal director of this universal drama, Swamiji.
You can prove that.
We can prove and also we believe, Swamiji, like we feel like that, Swamiji. Because we don't think anybody to occupy that place.
You may
Swamiji.
be in Bhranti.
That cannot be Bhranti, Swamiji. 100% I have faith in that, Swamiji.
You might have been influenced by him, or you might have been simply, overcome by some of his powers and this and that. So you may think that he is the person who is doing all this and like that.
No,
Who knows?
Swamiji, not like that, Swamiji.
I see.
In that way, we never sense Swamiji. Okay. We have 100% faith, Swamiji, in that respect.
I see.
You are the
So
only
it is left
person,
to you. It is left to you. You can't say. It's all.
Otherwise, it goes on like this. How can people, devotees who have faith in him, believe, Swami, that there is one God, he's doing all these things like that? How
What
can
is Jagannath? Huh?
Mine is not the same opinion. I'm also having the same opinion.
Opinion as your brother. Simply blindly you must be following him. You must not have properly done any, investigation or any vichara or anything like that. You must not have tested properly. Simply you might have been influenced by some, you say, you have printed in the invitation that you are preparing the world's best drink or something like that. WBD, world's best drink. We claim that it is the world's best drink. If anybody shows any drink better than that, we are prepared to accept. Simply because we influenced by that. You might have been hallucinated. You might have been influenced by that, the qualities of the drink. So you may think like that. Who knows?
No question of hallucination, Swami.
I see.
Only absolute reality.
ಬನ್ನಿ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಓಹೋ ಇವಳು ಯಾರು ಇವಳು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭವ್ಯ ಹೌದಾ ಇಬ್ರು ದಿವ್ಯಾನೆ ಒಬ್ರು ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಒಬ್ರು ಭವ್ಯ ಅಲ್ವೇ
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು
ಓಕೆ
People who have got faith in the existence of God, Swamiji, explanation is not necessary, Swamiji. For those people who do not have, the explanation is impossible, Swamiji. That's why we don't. Yes,
For those who do not believe in God, explanation is impossible.
definitely.
There is some Saint Mary's or something, I don't know. Tell them. Okay.
Now, the great, grand, glorious Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji is circumambulating the Ashwatha Ruksha and the neem tree, doing japa along with his devotees. Under the shadow of Ashwatha Ruksha, Rishi Pandya is doing meditation. See how magnetically attractive he is, how charming and enchanting he is, the Lord of Lords, Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji, while coming, while circumambulating the Ashwatha Ruksha. The beautiful environment with clouds here and there, not here and there, full of clouds, and here and there sunset. Now Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji is circumambulating along with his devotees Ashwatha tree, the most famous tree. And again, he, the great, grand Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji is circumambulating the Mahadeshwara temple. Now, Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji is looking towards inside the temple. Sri Mahadeshwara deity. The Bilva tree, very dear to Lord Shiva. He himself is circumambulating. Now he is plucking the leaves of Bilva leaves, very near to Nandikeshwar.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಲ್ಲ.
Distributing prasadam.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕಾಮೆಂಟೇಟರ್
Bilva leaves.
ಏನು
They are very lucky, we are very lucky, very fortunate to receive Bilva leaves from the very Lord Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji, who is also Lord Maheshwar. The devotees of the Lord now plucking the leaves, Bilva leaves from the Bilva plant.
ఓపెరానే రాసింది దానికి నంబర్ ಇಲ್ಲ.
The Lord of infinite potentiality, now majestically seated on the cane chair and doing japa, and along with him his devotees Venkatesh, Sadanandji, Keshwar Reddy, Shiva Jagannath, and his Bharadwaj Muni, Raghunath, the other children Guru Prasad, Lokanath, Rishi Pandya, and others are sitting in devotion, great devotion. Now Bharadwaj Muni and Rishi Pandya is uttering pravara and prostrating the Brahmic feet of the Lord of Lords, Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji of the center of universe. And they are receiving the blessings from the Lord. Now, Sri Krishna, the head of Shivayu, would be head of Shivayu, children are prostrating the Lord of Lords, Sri Anirvachana Bhagavanji.
शतमानं भवति पुष्टिन्द्रिय प्रकृति
Now Sadananji of Bangalore is prostrating the Lord. Kishore Reddy from Anniyala is doing prostration to the lotus feet of the Lord of Lords, Sri Sri Anirvachana Bhagavan Ji, and also Venkatesh from Bangalore prostrating the Lord. Now Chiranjeevi Jagannath of Bangalore is uttering some mantra in praise of the Lord and prostrating with devotion, fervent devotion to the Brahmic lotus, Brahmic feet of the Lord, and receiving blessings from him.
ఆడబిడ్డలేదు ఎట్లయినా కావాలన్నా ఇద్దరు ఉంటేనే పరిపూర్ణము ఓ మా ఉత్తే మగబుడ్డు ఉండి ఉత్త ఆవిడ ఉంటేనే లేదు ఇద్దరు ఉండాల அப்படியே பிரபாகரன் என்ன அவன் விஷயம் எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கே கருணாநிதிக்கு எழுதிருக்கிறது
பிரபாகரன்
சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கே என்ன பண்ற பிடிச்சிக்கிறாரு இப்போ உன்னை விடுறது இல்லை
now he is prostrating
ரகுநாத் அனந்தபாஸ்தன் ரகுநாத் संगीता.
Now Jayaprakash daughter is prostrating the Lord. Chiranjeevi Raghunath is touching the feet of the Lord and receiving the blessing from him. Jai Sri 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 Anirvachaniyanad Sadguru Bhagwan Ji ki Jai Sri 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 Anirvachaniyanad Sadguru Bhagwan Ji ki Jai Sri 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 Anirvachaniyanad Sadguru Bhagwan Ji ki Jai Jagat Kendra ki Jai Jagat Kendra ki Jai Jagat Kendra ki Jai Guru Purnama ki Jai Guru Purnama ki brother of the cameraman is now prostrating to the Lord.
Observe ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. This is called squint and pen method. In this we say that we are ahead of your Western scientists in the research of the sun. Understand? We will show you, we can demonstrate you. We say that we have penetrated the sun more than your Western scientists. Understand? Yes, we can show you, we can demonstrate you if you want. This is called the squint and pan method, in which you can see one, what is it, joule of light or energy or anything like that, very close. And you can't see with man-made instruments as close and as deep and you can't see so many details as we can see. We will show you if you want. Understand? And this is in the right eye, the same method. It is called the squint and pan method, SQ method, that is we have written in our diaries. And you see the sun so beautifully that no ballet or no color movie or anything will be as beautiful as that. You can be observing for hours and hours and it will be with all the rainbow colors and you can see the working of the minutest particle in creation. Understand? The minutest particle of energy, how it works, what it does, what it
grand, most glorious, most blissful, most peaceful, everlasting monarch of this fantastic universe is
appreciation to Chiranjeevi Raghunath, son of E. Hanumantappa, Bangalore. And this very, very precious day, time about time at about 8:50 a.m. 8:58 a.m.
Pastan. He has called Sri Hanumantappa to be beside him. His son's name is Raghunath, Chiranjeevi Raghunath. This giving of Guru Mantra is a secret. We have been asked to stand at a distance. Swamiji is giving the mantra and he is repeating. The boy is repeating. Since the mantra has been given, it is the usual practice in Guru Purnami for the Gurus to give mantras to their honest disciples. The disciple is propitiating before him. The Swamiji who has advised us to do danda while praying, while propitiating before God.
Is the number one questioner to Swami.
Yeah, last time I
nice
came.
for us also because you have forgotten so many things.
Yeah.
What questions do you have? Back from 15 to 20 years back. But now again we are getting revising. You will have forgotten so many things at that time. Now we are getting solution for that. Because gradually we will always like that. Without he is the first person we have first of all. He is the first and foremost person in this universe. He has occupied that chair. If the universe we consider as some house or something like that, he is the first of that. He is the only person to be adored that chair. Nobody can adore that chair. Like an emperor. Because that is, we feel like that. It is not anybody is making us to say this word. We ourselves, it's voluntarily, spontaneously coming out like that. Otherwise, how can we believe all these things? There must be some person. Some person must be there to rule all this, to run this universe. That is we in the family, some head will be there. In the country, some president, somebody is there. In international, like that. Some general secretary is there. Like that, it is universe also. Some person must be there, the most powerful person must be there. So that is Swamiji. That is Anirudhana Bhagavan Ji. It is left to the other people to believe it or not. That's all. Because our own opinion. There is not exaggeration, not a single word is exaggeration. It is a still reality. Of course, it may be difficult. In the scientific world and atomic age, it may be difficult to believe this. But it is a fact.
Do you mean to say that I am not believing?
Not you, scientific fact. If you have no faith, you should not find why should have come from all over it is because you have not, that is why you are here today. And going through my celebration. So then what? Not for you. Atomic agent. Everything they want reason. Can make it. He has researched sun more than any material scientist.
He says so.
Yeah, he says so. Then why should the sun be like that? If he has not penetrated it. It is simply sun, for sun is it?
No, of course not.
Then
Yes,
he is
something.
a more
Yes, something.
Very, very, very responsible person. Nobody is there like that. He is such a responsible person. Even a slight, minute action of his affects the whole universe. Then you can imagine how much responsibility he has got. Is it? It's not so easy. Of course, very difficult also to understand him. All of a sudden, we can
All great people are
understand him
difficult to
also.
understand.
Great people always, but he is still greater, greater and greater and greater like that. Our Swami. The charming Lord of this universe
కల్లేశ్వరుడు
is holding
నీ పేరు కల్లేశ్వరుడా
the son of Sri Krishnappa of Sivayu. His name is Kalleshwara. This is very
మా తల్లి వాళ్ళ
wonderful.
తండ్రి వాళ్ళ పేరు
This is a grandfather's name. Kalleshwarappa is the grandfather's name of Swamiji. And it is very strange that
అవర్ మదర్స్ ఫాదర్
mother's father. It is very strange that Swamiji never used to behold carry any son in his arms.
Any
Now,
baby, I had
any
not,
baby.
after coming to this path,
After coming-
I have not taken any in my lap, any baby. But somehow this boy does not allow me at all. He says, I must, in the beginning I was refusing, no, you are not clean, ಒತ್ತು ನೀವು ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಡ ನೀನು ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಕನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನು ನಾನು ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಬಿಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಮ್ರಾ ಕಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರುಡು ಎಮ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ಸರಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲೋಸಪ್ ನೀವು
Uncontrollably
ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗೋ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗಿಬ್ರಾ
attractive.
ఇంకా
Lord of Lords, Sri Krishna Nirvachana Bhagavanji is garlanding the Kalleshwara, the son of Sri Krishnappa of Sivayu, the devotee, the close devotee of the Lord of Lords of Sivayu.
ನೋಡ್ದಾ ನಿನ್ಗಿಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ಹಾರ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ
Gurudev's
ನನಗೇನೋ ಅವನು ಫಸ್ಟ್
mother's father's
ಎರಡನೇ
name, Sri Kalleshwara, is the name given to the child. It is christened after the mother's father's name. ಆ ಫೋಟೋ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು
This is the bell that rings 3 times a day. During sunrise, during noon and during sunset. It will be thrilling to hear its sound from a distance.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಇಂಥ ಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸಂಗೀತ ಖಂಡಿತು ಎಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಟ್ ನಂಜನಪ್ಪ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬಡಿಸೋದು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅವರು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಷಿಯನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ ಹೇಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಥವ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ನಾವು ನಿಧಾನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ
यहाँ कौन बैठता है स्वामी?
यहाँ भरत भाई
The most bewitchingly beautiful